community, so I wanted to share with you. So this is going to be today's agenda. We plan to have every meetup some guest speakers, people that have some inspirational experiences to share with the community. And we're going to have Jerry from Industrial Design faculty talking about precious plastics initially because he is an important contributor in the project. And we're going to have Krishna presenting an open source interface for blind users to learn coding because he is very interested in doing his thesis graduation open source, and he's going to explain to you why. Then we're going to talk about what are the goals that we have set together as a community. And we're also going to talk a bit about how to contribute in the community, how to get involved, and what are the, like the guidelines to make it easy for you to come forward if you're interested. And then we're going to have idea exchange around some real projects that we're working on. One is a wet lab centrifuge that Yanis is now officially the maintainer of the project. We're going to be talking also about repurposing phones because we're really worried about or interested in reusing smartphones as microcontrollers, Raspberry Pis, and all this kind of thing. Because smartphone has a huge computing power and we're just disposing it. So I think we should do something about it. And then I'm going to talk a bit about HardDocs, which is a package at the moment to automate hardware documentation tasks, kind of in an analogy with what happens in open source software, where there is a lot of stuff runners and automation. So we want to also do that for design as well. I also wanted to announce that I'm part of a course that we are organizing with Mozilla to teach people how to work on open hardware. So they trained me previously on how to lead open source projects and learn about open source in general. They have been mentoring a group of people, including me. So now we want to launch a track on open hardware itself so that people can join with projects or find projects and work together and get mentorship as well. The next meetup, we're going to have it in mid-November. And we're going to announce it later. And maybe there are some other data stewards announcements because they are really active here. So maybe you want to talk about the carpentries or share something about it. Yeah. If you have something to announce.
Right now?
If you want, yeah.
We have a meeting in November. There will be another carpentry workshop. So that's something we haven't yet advertised it, but if people are interested, then we can send a link to another carpentry workshop. So basically, whoever would like to get some experience with how do you do programming, how do you manage your code better. If you know some people probably already experienced, but maybe you know somebody who would benefit from those classes. That's really like you bring your computer and we provide you the teaching in a very inclusive way. So other researchers are also teachers of the carpentry, so everybody's welcome.
Yeah, they are really the data stores are really teaching people about also Python and how to use the Git shell and how to automate things and do data analysis. So I think for people who are not used to software and want to learn Python and how to program their own scripts, it's a good opportunity. So yeah, it's good. So this is also a book. I'm going to share the slide, but this is a book which is like a little history of open source software and hardware, so you can download it and check it out. I will share later via email or in our website the slides. So yeah, we'll be able to download. And yeah, as always, I want to thank we want to thank the TU Delft Library because they have been enabling these activities and supporting us a lot. Also with the communication, and yeah, they have been really caring about it and really active. So they have been leading in what do you need, how can we support you, and we really appreciate that. Also the data stewards and the data champions because they also are a community in the whole campus which are really connected and doing interfaculty activities and interdisciplinary activities. So it's really great. And also the students and the people that have been already engaged in the community because we just started like a month ago and there has been such an overwhelming response in just 1 month of people interested in participating and getting involved. So thank also to the students and the people active in the chat. So yeah, these are the co-hosts. I'm not going to go into detail, but it's just an acknowledgement of which are the people behind what we're doing now. And I'm going to just share a bit my background. I'm trained as an industrial designer, so I studied industrial design and I also did UX design for a while. Then I joined the TU Delft as a master's student. Now I'm working as a front-end developer also in Delft, and helping professors designing an online course on circular product assessment. They are here, so I'm really glad that they came. So this is also some background on my experience in open hardware. I'm just gonna dump it there if you want to check it out and see which these projects are about. But yeah, I'm not gonna go into detail. So now I'd like to welcome Jerry of Precious Plastics to share his experience. Thanks.